persons are sterile. Okay, they are not fertile, they are sterile. Okay, and what happens? Underdeveloped testes. So these persons are sterile, underdeveloped testes. Okay, then gynecomastia means what? Development of breast. Okay, so these are sterile, underdeveloped testes. Okay, and what happens? Full body covers with hair, so that is known as sparse body hair. Okay, they are having sparse body hair. Okay, and what happens? In every 500 male, in every 500 male, one affected from this victim. In every 500 males, one male is suffer from this syndrome. Okay, so every 500 males, one is suffering from this. Here you have to understand that gynecomastia. Okay, so presence of gynecomastia in human male having genotype 44 plus XXY is a characteristic feature of. So that denotes what? Klinefelter syndrome. So like that questions are coming. Klinefelter syndrome, it is mostly common in human being. Okay, so this is what? Klinefelter syndrome. Now, come on next. Next is a Turner syndrome. So that, come on, Turner syndrome. Klinefelter syndrome was found in where? Male. So this is found in where? Female. So it is found in woman. It is found in a woman. Okay. Now, here what happens? There was one more chromosome. Here one less chromosome is there. So the patient has 44 chromosome instead of 46. Here what happens? The patient contains 45 chromosome instead of 46. So here what happens? One less chromosome there is there. Okay, and genotype how they are showing there. So and their genotype denoted as 44 plus X naught, means one absent is there, so it is noted as 44 plus X naught. Now what happens? These also are sterile women. So these are sterile women. Then rudimentary development of ovary. Okay, so here what happens, why they are having a sterile, because ovary is very less developed, also uterus is small, so small uterus present. Okay, uterus size is very small, and also what happened, underdeveloped breast, underdeveloped breast present. Okay, so these are the some feature that are showing in Turner syndrome. Okay, now these patients are mentally retarded and their neck is like wave jar. Okay, they are having waved neck. So what I told, these also are mentally retarded. Okay, these also are what? Mentally retarded with waved neck. Okay, their neck is looking what? Like wave. Okay, but they are having what? Menstrual cycle is absent or abnormal. Menstrual cycle is abnormal or absent. Here what happens? This you have to remember, that in which condition menstrual cycle is absent or abnormal. Okay. Now, every 3,000 children, one is affected. What I told? In every 3,000 children, one is affected. Okay. So this is what? Turner syndrome. Next we have to come on Jacob syndrome. Okay. But going on that Jacob syndrome, we have to also know that this Jacob syndrome is also known as super male disorder syndrome. What I told? Super male disorder syndrome. So come on that next one. Jacob syndrome. Jacob's syndrome, or it is also known as super male disorder syndrome. Okay, this is the PET in the NEET exam. Many times I have seen this one, and this is also known as a criminal syndromes because they are showing super male. So here what happens? Genotype is 44 plus XYY. Here male showing criminal background, criminal background, and genotype denoted as 44 plus XYY. So this is the Jacob syndrome or super male syndrome. Here what happens? Also already I shown what the chromosome number is there. So chromosome number is 47, 44 plus XYY. So this is the 47 chromosome number. Here they are mentally retarded, but they prone towards the criminal activity. Okay, and that's why it is telling that, and why this is having criminal activity, due to having more secretion of male sex hormone. So these are mentally retarded and prone towards criminal activity due to over secretion of male sex hormone, testosterone. So this is what super male disorder, or Jacob syndrome, or it is also known as criminal syndrome. Criminal syndrome. Okay. Now, next same is there, super female syndrome. Okay. So that we will see in the next class. Okay. Thank you.